Introducing our combat grips for the Can-Am Ryker, crafted by the experts at Showchrome. These grips are available in either a classic black or a sporty red finish. They're constructed from durable cast aluminum and feature custom-designed rubber inlays that not only add a touch of style, but also serve a functional purpose. They effectively dampen road vibrations, resulting in a smoother, more enjoyable ride. These grips are also slightly thicker than the factory grips, promoting a more comfortable hand position that's really beneficial for riders with arthritic fingers or for those of you that just enjoy long-distance rides. The installation is hassle-free as the grips are designed as a direct replacement for the factory grips and even include a replacement throttle tube. Without further ado, allow us to walk you through the installation process on one of our shop Rykers.
Before you begin, make sure that your Ryker is on level ground, your parking brake is engaged, and that your ignition is off. Starting on the right throttle side of the bike, use a T30 Torx wrench to remove the bolt holding in the factory side view mirror. Then gently rotate the mirror assembly back and forth as you pull it away from the bike to remove it. If your Ryker is equipped with factory handguards, use a 3mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 bolts holding the handguards in place. Use a T25 Torx wrench to remove the 3 screws on the front side of the handlebar switch assembly. Carefully separate the 2 pieces of the switch assembly, making sure not to put any stress on the wires or other components inside the housing. Remove the plastic throttle tube with grip by sliding them straight out and away from the switch assembly. Slide on your new replacement throttle tube, making sure the orientation is correct so that the cutouts on the throttle tube align with the tabs on the switch assembly. It will drop into place once the alignment is correct. Now it's time to find which grip position looks and feels the best. Grab the grip with a larger internal diameter and slide it onto the throttle tube only about 1/8 of an inch for now. And rotate the grip until it's in a position that you feel looks best visually from the seated riding position. You should also consider how the grip feels in your hand based on how the pattern is orientated. Once you determine which grip position is best for you, carefully slide the throttle tube and grip off the handlebars as one piece. Liberally spray down the throttle tube and inside of the grip with soapy water. Then work quickly on a soft surface to slide the throttle tube all the way down and into place, until the throttle tube is aligned with the edge of the rubber inside the grip. Wipe any soapy water off the grip, then clean any dirt and grime off the handlebars with a microfiber cloth. Slide your new throttle tube and grip onto the bars. Again, making sure that the cutouts on the throttle tube align with the tabs on the switch assembly until it drops into place. Make sure the plastic tab on the switch assembly is aligned with the hole in the handlebars. Once aligned, you'll feel it drop into place. Then reinstall the 3 factory switch housing screws with a T25 Torx wrench, making sure not to over-tighten. Test to make sure that your throttle is functioning properly. If everything looks good, reinstall your factory handguards, making sure that the metal tab on the handguard is aligned with the hole in the handlebars. Then reuse the 4 factory bolts and snug them down with a 3mm Allen wrench. Insert the factory mirror bolt into the mirror assembly and thread it in 1 or 2 turns for now. This ensures that you do not accidentally lose the nut inside the handlebars. Then rotate the mirror assembly back and forth as you slide it into the bars. Once in place, snug down the mirror bolt with a T30 Torx wrench. Moving on to the left side of the bike, use a T30 Torx wrench to remove the bolt holding in the mirror. Then gently rotate the mirror assembly back and forth as you pull it away from the bike to remove it. Use a 3mm Allen wrench to remove your factory handguard if equipped. Lift up on the outside edge of the factory hand grip and spray some soapy water in between the grip and the handlebars. Then use an Allen wrench to rotate around the entire circumference of the handlebars. This will allow the soapy water to do its thing. Once the grip rotates freely, slide it back and forth as you slide it off the handlebars. So that your grips look the same on both sides of the bike, make sure that you orient the left side grip so that the pattern is facing the same direction as the throttle side grip. Then, clean the left side handlebar with a microfiber towel to remove any dirt or debris. Then use an alcohol prep pad to clean the surface area and allow that to dry. Starting approximately 1 inch from the end of the handlebar, squeeze a bead of grip glue along the top side of the bar, stopping about 2/3 of the way across. Take the new left grip and quickly but firmly rotate the grip along the handlebar as you push it into place to allow the glue to spread evenly throughout the grip. Do not stop moving the grip until it's in its final position, or the glue will set and you will not be able to move it. Reinstall your factory handguard, making sure that the metal tab on the handguard is aligned with the hole in the handlebars. Then reuse the 4 factory bolts and snug them down with a 3mm Allen wrench. Insert the factory mirror bolt into the mirror assembly and thread it in 1 or 2 turns for now. Then rotate the mirror assembly back and forth as you slide it into the handlebars. Once in place, snug down the mirror bolt with a T30 Torx wrench.
And that's all there is to it, folks. If you'd like to see a pair of combat grips on your Ryker, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below to pick up a pair for your bike. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can keep seeing cool content just like this. I'm Jen, and we'll see you out on the road.